So I wanted to talk to you about the two things that have the most to do with longevity in dogs. I think the average age of folks on TikTok is in their 20s. I think the top end of the bell curve is like 28, and the bottom end of the bell curve is about 20, would be the average age. And between 20 and 28, I was crazy about my dogs. I still am crazy about my dogs, but between 20 and 28, I was really crazy about my dogs. And I would expect that the majority of people on TikTok would also be the same way. Let me bring this out. Basically, the two factors that control the longevity of a dog are its weight and the health of its teeth. And I know that sounds a little bit abstract. Like you would think that it was the shots that you give a dog every year. But that's not really it. The shots that you give every year are great. It's a lot less diarrhea that you're not cleaning up at that point. But it's how slender you keep them. And you would think that keeping them slender was easy, but it's not. People have a tendency to want the dog to eat twice a day, whether it's hungry or not. And that's the problem, is a lot of times the dogs just aren't hungry. And so they turn down their dry food. And then folks are like, oh, he didn't eat. He doesn't like his dry food anymore. But it's not that he doesn't like it. He just doesn't need it. His weight is good. He has a body condition score of 4, for example, which is Mother Nature's perfect. If the dog had unlimited chipmunks and apples to eat, it would achieve a body condition score of 4, and then its appetite would fall off unless you offered it pizza, at which point it would act like it was starving to death, because pizza would be a high-value treat because it has that much fat in it and some sugar. Well, I said all that to say this, is that when your dog is eating a good quality dry food like Costco Signature Kirkland salmon and sweet potato, grain-free, chicken-free, it's going to eat that until it hits a body condition score of 4, and then it's going to taper off on its appetite. Unless it never hits a body condition score of 4 because it's running 5 miles a day with you crazy young people. But a lot of dogs, they have a tendency to get kind of finicky when their weight gets up there, and so people start adding things to the food to get them to eat, which is the first and most crucial mistake that people make, is trying to get the dog to eat, when in actuality it should just be allowed to be not hungry and not plied to eat. So that's kind of a secret. It's not a secret that the food industry really likes, because I think they want you to buy diet food, and they also want you to feed as much as you possibly can. There's actually a dog food out there called Picky No More, and that diet is amazing because it will make any dog eat even when he's not hungry. And I call it pizza in a bag. And basically it's like, don't eat that salad, it's okay, you can have pizza. And the dogs will eat it. I would probably use that if a dog had cancer or something else impacting its appetite, and it was going to heaven and needed to gain weight. There was something else wrong with it. Not even necessarily diabetes, but something, I would probably feed it that. I guess that's one way of saying that I wouldn't feed that unless my dog was dying. Well, anyway, so limiting calories, measuring the food is really important. I have a feeding chart on my website. I can give you a link to that. And feeding chart on my website if you want to know, like if you want your dog to be 60 pounds and you're feeding a dry food, just feed 1 level kitchen cup of dry food with nothing on it, dry, twice a day, and the dog will hit 60 pounds. That, with a couple of treats, will prevent it from going below that. 50-pound dog gets 3/4 of a cup. 40-pound dog, if you want him to weigh 40 pounds, feed him 2/3 of a cup, and it's absolutely accurate. The only difference would be if he was like 1 or 2 years old and his metabolism was very high, or he was not neutered or spayed, then his metabolism would be even higher and he would need more food than that. But what? So like he starts getting a little bit too skinny, you give him more food? That's not hard. The problem is, as I've said it before, is trying to get a dog to eat when he's not hungry, and that's the secret. Now, healthy teeth is another thing. Healthy teeth has to do with just chewing on stuff, and it turns out the very best thing for dogs to chew on is sticks. Because sticks have soil-based probiotics, the beneficial germs that come up out of the dirt, and they're actually really good. And sticks clean the teeth better than anything that you could use. I'm not sure if it's because there's gritty dirt on there and it's abrasive to the teeth, or because wood is kind of soft and the teeth sink into it and get cleaned, or if it's just generally exercises the gums and increases salivary production so that the teeth are healthier that way. But sticks are great, unless your dog's an idiot and has a tendency to swallow whole sticks, in which case, there's that. I like bones. My favorite is a beef shank or a beef knuckle. Those are good. I don't feed any pork bones of any kind, and even a beef T-bone is a good one to have to remove from a dog's stomach. Although I would say this, that the number one surgery we do in dogs to get something out of its stomach or its intestine is actually underwear. They love socks, they love underwear, they love anything that smells just like and a lot like the owner, and the more intense that smell is, the more they want to eat it. So underwear, I would have to say, is probably the number one thing that is removed from a dog's belly. So I guess if you're getting what I'm saying, it's about a physiological weight, like a natural weight of a body condition score of, say, 3+ or 4-, keeping them slender by not getting them to eat when they're not hungry, and then offering them things to chew on that they like beef shanks or knuckle bones or sticks. You can even use antlers soaked in beef broth. That works really well. And hopefully, as this video unfolds, it's popping up links on the screen under my head, and helps you find resources that would help you. So this video basically goes out to the 20 to 28-year-old TikTok user who wants their dog to live as long as possible. And no, you can't buy something to do that. It's all about keeping a low body weight and healthy teeth. And that's all I got for you today. Thank you.